Welcome to our Dishwasher Showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic options for small kitchens: the Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher and the Milliloom Countertop portable dishwasher. Whether you're in an apartment or an RV, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the features, performance, and value of these two dishwashers to see which one comes out on top. The Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher is designed for permanent installation, making it a great choice for those with a dedicated kitchen space. In contrast, the Milliloom portable dishwasher offers the flexibility of a countertop model that requires no plumbing modifications, making it ideal for renters or those with limited space. When it comes to capacity, the Honeywell model shines with its ability to accommodate 8 place settings, perfect for larger households. Meanwhile, the Milliloom is more compact, holding about 4 place settings, which may be sufficient for singles or couples, but might require more frequent loading for larger families. Water efficiency is another critical factor. The Honeywell dishwasher operates with standard water consumption, while the Milliloom boasts an impressive ultra-low water usage of just 5 liters per cycle, making it an eco-friendly option for those conscious about water conservation. In conclusion, both dishwashers have their strengths. The Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher offers a robust solution for those with more space and a need for higher capacity, while the Milliloom countertop portable dishwasher provides unmatched flexibility for those with limited space. Consider your needs carefully before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen appliance reviews.